In the rapidly evolving world of technology and business, the term unicorn has become synonymous with exceptional success. A unicorn is a privately held startup valued at over $1 billion, a rare breed that stands out in the crowded landscape of entrepreneurship. But as artificial intelligence continues to advance at an unprecedented pace, a provocative question arises. Can AI truly transform an ordinary startup into a unicorn? To explore this question, let's first understand what sets a unicorn apart from the average startup. Unicorns are defined not just by their valuation, but by their disruptive impact, rapid growth, and ability to scale across markets. They often introduce novel products or services, leveraging technology to solve problems in ways that were previously unimaginable. Yet for every company that reaches unicorn status, thousands of others remain in obscurity, never breaking out of the pack. What makes the difference? Increasingly, the answer points to the strategic use of artificial intelligence. AI is not just a buzzword. It's a suite of technologies that enable machines to learn, reason, and make decisions. From machine learning algorithms that predict customer behavior, to natural language processing systems that understand and generate human language, AI is already reshaping industries. For startups, it offers a powerful toolkit, the potential to automate mundane tasks, extract insights from vast data sets, and personalize products on a scale previously reserved for tech giants. Consider the journey of an ordinary startup, a small team with a promising idea, limited resources, and big ambitions. Traditionally, such a company would face daunting challenges: how to reach the right customers, how to operate efficiently with a skeleton staff, how to compete with established players. This is where AI can level the playing field. One of the most immediate ways AI empowers startups is by automating repetitive tasks. In the past, startups would need to hire teams for customer support, data entry, or inventory management. Today, intelligent chatbots can handle customer inquiries around the clock. Automated systems can process orders, and predictive algorithms can optimize supply chains. By freeing up human talent from routine work, startups can focus on strategy, innovation, and growth. But automation is just the beginning. The real magic of AI lies in its ability to unlock insights from data. Every interaction, every click, purchase, and message generates information. Startups that harness AI-powered analytics can understand their customers in granular detail. What do they want? When are they most likely to buy? Which products resonate with which segments? Armed with this knowledge, startups can craft targeted marketing campaigns, refine their offerings, and build loyalty. Personalization is another frontier where AI gives startups an edge. Netflix and Amazon have set the standard for tailored recommendations, but today, even small companies can deliver bespoke experiences. Machine learning models can analyze user behavior in real time, suggesting products, content, or services that fit each individual's preferences. This not only boosts sales, but also deepens engagement, a critical factor in building a brand that customers love. AI also democratizes access to expertise. In the past, launching a tech-driven business required deep domain knowledge and technical know-how. Now, with user-friendly AI platforms and tools, even non-technical founders can build intelligent applications. From no-code app builders to pre-trained models that detect fraud or forecast demand, the barriers to entry are lower than ever. Of course, technology alone does not guarantee unicorn status. Execution matters. Startups must still identify a genuine problem, design a compelling solution, and build a sustainable business model. But when AI is woven into the fabric of a startup's operations, it can accelerate each step of this journey. Let's look at some real-world examples. UiPath, a company that started as a small Romanian startup, harnessed AI and robotic process automation to help businesses automate routine tasks. Within a few years, UiPath became one of the world's fastest-growing software companies, earning unicorn status and a global customer base. Similarly, companies like Stripe, Airbnb, and ByteDance have used AI to optimize operations, personalize user experiences, and scale rapidly. But the path is not without challenges. Integrating AI requires more than just plugging in new software. Startups must invest in quality data. Without it, even the best algorithms falter. There's also the risk of over-reliance on AI, neglecting the human touch that often differentiates great companies. Transparency, ethics, and accountability become critical as AI decisions impact customers' lives. Moreover, competition is fierce. As AI becomes more accessible, the playing field levels, but it also becomes crowded. The startups that succeed are those that combine AI with unique insights, strong leadership, and a relentless focus on solving real problems. What about industries beyond tech? Can AI propel ordinary startups in sectors like healthcare, agriculture, or education to unicorn status? The answer is increasingly yes. In healthcare, AI is revolutionizing diagnostics, drug discovery, and patient care. Startups are using machine learning to analyze medical images, predict disease outbreaks, and personalize treatment plans. In agriculture, AI powers precision farming, optimizing irrigation, detecting crop diseases, and increasing yields. In education, intelligent tutoring systems adapt to each student's learning style, closing achievement gaps at scale. The common thread is that AI enables startups to do more with less, scaling impact, reducing costs, and reaching wider audiences. It turns data into a strategic asset and automates not just tasks, but entire workflows. For founders willing to experiment, iterate, and learn, AI can be the catalyst that transforms an ordinary idea into an extraordinary enterprise. Yet the journey is not linear. Startups must navigate challenges such as data privacy, algorithmic bias, and the ever-shifting regulatory landscape. They must earn the trust of users and stakeholders, demonstrating that AI enhances rather than replaces the human element. Building a unicorn is as much about culture and vision as it is about technology. As we look to the future, the potential of AI to transform startups is only growing. Advances in generative AI, systems that can create text, images, code, and even music, are opening new frontiers for creativity and innovation. Imagine a startup that generates personalized marketing materials in seconds or designs new products based on customer feedback. The gap between imagination and execution is shrinking. But perhaps the greatest impact of AI is the way it shifts the mindset of founders. No longer are they limited by the constraints of manual labor or lack of expertise. With AI as a partner, startups can dream bigger, move faster, and tackle problems that once seemed insurmountable. In conclusion, can AI turn an ordinary startup into a unicorn? The answer is a qualified yes. AI is not a magic wand that guarantees success, but it is a powerful enabler. A force multiplier that amplifies talent, accelerates innovation, and unlocks new possibilities. Startups that harness AI thoughtfully, ethically, and strategically are poised to redefine what's possible, joining the ranks of unicorns that shape the future. The road to unicorn status is never easy. It demands vision, grit, and adaptability. But in the age of artificial intelligence, the odds have shifted. The next unicorn might not be born from a Silicon Valley garage, but from any corner of the globe where ambition meets ingenuity, and where AI helps turn the ordinary into the extraordinary. The landscape is wide open. For the startups of today and tomorrow, the question is not just whether AI can create unicorns, but who will seize the opportunity to become one.